Daming sili, oh. Oh. Yun. Ay. What's up mga kasakol? Nandito naman ang inyong katropang mahilig magsakol, Jigs TV. For today's episode, meron po tayo dito 7 kilong bone marrow.